Hello. Welcome to the part 3 in the Generative AI series. This presentation focuses on achieving sustainable manufacturing goals and financial results with generative AI and emerging tech. We briefly touch upon the topics. An introduction to sustainable manufacturing. Organization sustainability metrics mostly focused on environment. We then take a look at the use cases and technology that can be applied to two sustainability attributes. In future pathways, we discuss how organizations who intend to get maximum ROI on sustainability need to rethink business models. No single organization can solve the world's, countries', industries, or their own sustainability problems without involving an ecosystem of partners for meaningful success. Large GHG emission industries like manufacturing need sector coupling, ecosystem partnerships, and smart grid infrastructures that latch onto existing infrastructure, water, electrical, energy utilities, lean manufacturing, green practices, government-aided policies and governance to deliver sustainability results. Till such time that the infrastructure is largely overhauled and ecosystem partnerships leveraged across sectors, let's look at how to leverage generative AI and emerging tech for sustainability in silos to deliver triple bottom line, 3P, people, planet, and profitability, results which will eventually help larger sustainability goals like net zero, new product cradle-to-cradle life cycle in the near future. Top-line results in large GHG industries can happen by means of disruptions in the business models, new ways of implementing sustainability efficiencies from cradle to grave in the life cycle, and changing the purpose of how brands exist to make this planet a better place for the future generations. Organization environment attributes, KPIs and policies in focus listed on this slide. Some attributes that we discuss further in the next few slides are energy efficiency, raw material sourcing, waste management, as part of recycling, reusing, repurposing, etc. Organizations like Unilever focus on exhaustive deforestation and raw material traceability policies and implementation. These policies are followed by their partners in their net zero journey. KPIs need to be tracked for reporting like emission of greenhouse gas rate, % of waste generated per 1,000 units, % of recycled/reused material, % of energy used per 1,000 units, % renewable energy per 1,000 units, % sustainable water used. Listed on this slide. Let's look at how generative AI and digital technologies help sustainable manufacturing. AI solutions inspire new ways of managing businesses, leading to innovating new business models seeking new streams of revenue. Generative AI can help optimize operations for both sustainability and profitability, helping discover optimal business models. It can explore new sustainable materials, simulate new product designs, evaluate product life cycles, evaluate alternate sources of energy and its impact, analyze weather trends for energy usage, forecast demand for minimum inventory, eliminating the costly process of trial and error. Generative AI must be used in combination with traditional AI, IoT, digital twin, other emerging tech, lean manufacturing, and green practices to achieve optimal results. Business process maturity. Digital technology, data from the ecosystem play but an important role for success. Let's look at some use cases where generative AI and other digital technologies can help with sustainability KPIs. You will notice that in the table here we map an environment attribute with a business use case and associated technology that can help achieve the TBL, triple bottom line goals, in this case with respects to environment. In this slide, we are exploring the attributes raw material sourcing, waste reuse, waste reduction. Let's look at an example. Raw material or waste like plastic is reused in a new product. Its modular design efficiencies can be implemented by generative AI. The result is this case is waste reduction and cost savings from other expensive raw material. Another example, traceability of raw materials like palm oil so that you know that it adheres to your organization deforestation policy, is ethically sourced and is helping conserve natural resources. SAP helps implement the traceability for companies like Unilever. In this slide, we are exploring the attribute energy efficiency. Let's look at an example. Organizations can manage energy efficiency of their production plants by making sure to switch off the equipment when not in use, making sure optimal demand forecast with optimized production cycles for reduced supply and excess inventory, making sure we leverage predictive equipment leveraging AI so that overheating or then cooling does not result in excessive energy usage. IoT sensors, remote command center control with digital twin and generative AI can help with shut off and on, monitoring plant for efficiencies and optimal demand forecasting respectively. The result is this case is energy efficiency and cost savings. Future pathways for sustainability must include updated strategies and innovative business models. Innovate a sustainable business model with NRV strategies that include reduction in waste and creating new revenue streams. 3 types of sustainable models include circular, regenerative, and transitional. Circular business model, brands such as Patagonia, IKEA, Unilever have implemented this model. Regenerative business model, brands Danone, Tom's, Ellen MacArthur Foundation's New Plastics Economy Initiative have implemented. Transitional business model, Interface Inc. has implemented this model. Ecosystem partnerships across sectors will enable locally leveraging shared renewable resources, recycling waste, preserving/regenerating natural resources. Thank you.